The good thing about making these videos is that I get to enjoy these pizzas. It never gets old. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Valentine's Day is around the corner. I figured I gotta get this video out as soon as possible. By the name of this video, I'm sure you guys can tell what this is going to be about. I'm gonna make a heart pizza. Hopefully you guys can use this for, I don't know, for anyone. You wanna give a pizza to your wife, your husband, your child, anyone. So yeah, it's not that hard. It's gonna be really easy, quick video. Okay, so I know you guys, some of you guys are gonna be procrastinating, you know, something about Valentine's Day, you know? Everyone wants to wait till the last minute. Hopefully this will help you guys. It's not gonna be that hard, promise you. Just gonna grab some cheese, grab some of my sauce, and let's go make this pizza. Okay, so I have everything ready. I have my pizza dough, I have my sauce, I have my cheese. Again, this is gonna be a really quick video. Hopefully this is gonna help you guys. I don't know, just make this pizza for someone special. It's not your ordinary round pizza, but it's gonna be a pretty quick, short video. All right, I'm gonna show you how I make this. My pizza dough. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up my dough, make sure it's nice and round. Not sure if you can tell, but I heavily coat this with semolina so that there's no sticky spots. Okay, so I have my pizza dough open, just like any regular pizza, right? It's nice and round. Okay, so you open up your pizza dough, just like any pizza, and it's gonna be just 2 steps, real simple. I'm gonna make it opposite, just so when I launch it, it's gonna be a little bit easier. First step, Okay, so here's my pizza. First step, I'm just gonna pinch. Right, just nice little pinch. As you can tell, this is what my pizza looks like so far. Right, just pinch, and then your tip right here, squeeze it and pull. And I like to twist it a little bit. And there you go, that's your heart shape. And you can fix this in a little bit. Okay, so I pretty much have my heart shape. It's pretty easy. It's just a quick pinch, a pinch at the tip, and just pull. Then you can shape it later. Okay, so when I slide it onto the pizza peel, I'm gonna leave the tip hanging off a little bit just so that when I slide it into the oven, it's gonna catch and then it's gonna make it a little bit easier to launch into the oven. All right, so I'm gonna slide into the oven. Gonna cook it nice and slow. And get this part right there. Okay, so that's my heart pizza. I could have made it look a little bit nicer. I could have pulled the tip a little bit more just to make it more pointier. This is my second time making it. I mean, all in all, not too bad, right? Okay. Yeah, I know this was a short video. I hope this is gonna help you guys. I know some of you guys are gonna be procrastinating for Valentine's Day. Even if it's not Valentine's Day, this is kind of nice to make for someone, you know? Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys have any questions or concerns. Please message me on Instagram. See you guys later. See you guys next time.